This video is only for education purpose. Please don't take any medicine without doctor consultation. Consult your doctor at least once. Hello friends, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review this product. This is a very popular product in today's time, like sweet Restore Capsules. Is this product really worthy for you? Does this product really work for you? And what are the main problems and what are the side effects? So in this video we will cover each and every information. So let's get started. First of all, my dear friends, I want to tell you, like, this product is related to health product, so you need to be very careful. You need to consult your doctor at least once before using these kind of you can say products, and because you need to consume this product, and when you consume the product you will feel some kind of side effects, or you can say you will not get like the results. So you need to be very careful. You need to consult your doctor at least once. You need to show the nutrition information of the product, and your doctor will guide you should consume this product or not. Now come to the main point. Is this product really worthy for you or not? As you know, this product is used for your health related issues, like if you have any kind of like heart related issues, if you have any kind of like blood related issues, and this product is working for in this kind of you can say issues, like as they are mentioning, like this will support your cardiovascular circulation and like veins and arteries health, and decrease inflammation in your body. So these are the uses of this product. Now come to the point, you should consume this product or not. So as I have already told you, like you need to consult your doctor at least once, and if they guide you and if they give you permissions, then you can use, because this is a health related product. So the everyone body is totally different. Maybe I will get the results and maybe you will not get the results. So it depends on person to person and body to body. So we cannot say this will benefit for you or not. Okay, in my terms, you need to be very careful before using any kind of health related you can say products, because as you know, the product is looking like good, and all the nutrition information is provided by the brand is like they are using natural, or you can say organic ingredient. So the results, or you can say the benefits you should get. And if you are not going to consult your doctor, you can consume if you want to consume the product, then you can try it at least once, and like you can consume a pack of 1 or 60 capsules. If you get good results, then you can continue. If you are not getting any kind of result, then you can quit the product. Okay, so this is my review. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do and what you not have to do. So if this video will helpful for you, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye friend, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a comment. Your comment will helpful for lots of people.